Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am back to show you guys and tell you guys all about another Echo Park warehouse sale that they're having. So it is free shipping over $50. I'm loving all this pumpkin-y theme. It's going on from the 24th today to the 30th, and orders will begin shipping on November 3rd. That's when they will start shipping. Sometimes they start a little bit sooner, but obviously it doesn't mean your order is going to get shipped on November 3rd. It might be later. But let's get through this and see what they have, because they have a lot of goodies here. So let's go through some of these. Albums, they have some albums, probably only like 2, which is what I was gonna say, and they only have 2, but look at the price on these guys. They are $3, okay? That is a huge cut. They are never $3. So if you're looking to get those albums on a ring and you just want to maybe do like a December daily or something, definitely consider getting one of those. They have embossing folders here. So if you guys have like a die cutting machine, you can get some embossing folders. They don't have a ton. This is all they have, but they do have a couple little things like a little onesie. This is a cute Christmas one that says Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen, and Rudolph, obviously. And then a welcome baby kind of one. So it really depends on what you want to make. But those are cute. They have sticker books. I think the sticker books, no, sorry, the embossing folders were $2 each, but the sticker books are $4. So they have some. You guys know I usually get the Christmas ones, and I have a couple of fall ones, but in this sale, they don't have any Christmas. So there's that. So I hope you guys weren't planning on getting some Christmas. Let's see, decorative brads, they have $3 each or 5 for $10. So they do have some Christmas here. They've got a couple of fall ones. I see the first 2 are cute. Lots of Christmas actually. And that is it for that. So the adhesive brads are obviously adhesive. They don't have like the prongs, and they have some chipboard pieces at the bottom. So that's what that is. Then they have some solid cardstock. So they're solid cardstock. These are single sheets, and they are 84 cents each instead of the $1. I mean, not a huge price cut, but if you need a couple of like sheets to go with some collections, definitely go for it. Like I happen to like this orange one right there. And there's a couple of other ones that I did get last time that were more like fall themed that I tried to get. Like the rust orange might be a good one. Depends on what you're crafting. Maybe you want some Christmas too. The sticker sheets are $2 each or 10 for 15. They got a couple of Halloween ones. The second Halloween one, or the first one is fall, second one is Halloween. That one looks like a really good one. I do have that collection, so I don't need it. But I like how a lot of those pieces are smaller, whereas this one has some larger pieces. You could see just like from the photo, this one has smaller pieces, so definitely worth that. You got some Christmas salutations. I recommend if you're going to be making cards with scraps. Those are good because you could just stick on a sticker as your sentiment. And yeah, that's a great one. I added it to my cart, but I don't think I'm going to have $50 worth. So I'm probably not going to order, but just in case I do. So I did that. There's more Christmas, lots of Christmas options. I like this Christmas one as well. There's another salutations up here. They have some other Christmas. They got some Valentine's Day. This one is a cute like baking one here. So it really depends on what you're making. This one's a good Halloween one with a lot of sentiments if you're going to be doing something with your Halloween scraps and making cards, for example. So always like try to think of like what you're crafting now, what maybe you don't have, what you will be crafting, like if you are going to be making cards with scraps, because then you want to look for things with more sentiments. But they have 3 pages, guys, of sticker sheets, so lots and lots of sticker options. And maybe you just have like parts of a collection and you want the sticker sheet to go with it, so that's an option also. I like to decorate with the stickers. So then they also have, what's next, chipboard, $3 each or 5 for 10. So here's their chipboard. I see a lot of fall for this one. There's 4 different fall ones. I see a couple of Christmas. Oh, more Christmas. Oh, 5 different fall now. And a lot more Christmas. Oh, more fall. Wow, there's a lot of fall. for their chipboard. Not something I use often, but they do have 4 sheets of this, or not 4 sheets, 4 pages of their chipboard. Again, I don't use it often. I used to use it a lot more when I did a lot more layering and Happy Mail. But with albums, I don't do too much layering because it just creates unnecessary bulk. Ephemera, it's $2 each or 10 for 15. So yeah, you could get some of these to match collections that you may have in your stash. I like Halloween ones, again, or anything that has a lot of like sentiments that I could use. Like this Christmas one looks like it has quite a bit of sentiments, but you could click on these and just see in the listing, like for example, let's say I'm clicking on Christmas cheer, they have a photo that shows you all the pieces that you would get. And ephemera tends to be bigger than like sticker sheets, so it really depends on what you want to use them for, but they do tend to be on the larger side. But they have 3 pages of this, so if you are looking for some ephemera, there you go. Next up, we have 6x6 paper pads. They are $4 each or 3 for $10. Oh, my hand hurts from holding you guys. Anyway, so Gnome for Christmas, Fall Fever. Fall Fever's like, I love that one, and I love Gnome for Christmas also. Highly recommend those 2. Christmas Salutations, I have that because I just like the sentiments. It's a lot of cut aparts. Santa Claus Lane is cute. I obviously love my baby ones. If you have a ton of that collection though, so I don't need any. Let's see, and that's it. They don't have a lot. I mean, Spring Market is a cute one. Yeah, they don't have a ton of the 6x6, but they have some. Collection kits. When I briefly glanced at this, and these are 4 for $25 or 10 for $60 or $7.50 each. When I briefly glanced at this, they only had this Fall Fever one. So I really hope they maybe listed some more fall, but it didn't look like they had a lot at all. Oh, they have another one. Okay, so they have 2 fall. I was still hoping for more fall, considering it's a fall warehouse sale. Oh, when I looked, it only had 1 page. Okay, so maybe I just looked too early. Oh, they have a 3rd fall. Okay, I guess they added some because, like I said, when I was looking, it was slim pickings. Like they didn't have a lot at all. But they have a lot of baby ones here, some Disney ones also, and they have some good collection kits. Solid kits. These are $3 each or 10 for $25. So these are like the solid kits that would go with a paper collection. So you guys could definitely see what you might need to go with something. And especially if you're crafting like per collection, like I tend to get Christmas ones that don't matter what collection they go with, because I could always mix and match. So that's like Christmas, but like some fall ones, you might want to get some fall. Summer especially, like you need to get that collection because it is super hard to find that color paper otherwise. So summer, because it tends to have so many different colors and bright colors, like you definitely want to get the collection for summer. But fall and Christmas, I tend to get any collection and kind of just mix and match. So there's that. They have mega pads. These are $5 each or 3 for $12. So they got some Christmas. Farmhouse Summer is a cute one. It's a boy. I love those. It's a girl. Not a lot, but they have some if you guys are looking for any of these specifically. Puffy stickers. Oh, I see they have washi tape and a big sale on those. All right, puffy stickers. They got Christmas. Oh my goodness. Excuse me. Thanks, babe. So they have Christmas on here. Fall, they have, this is Away We Go. It's like a travel one. They got some girl, like play all day girl, first day of school. I like this welcome winter one. That's a cute one. Some outdoor, wedding, more baby, and another fall, but not a lot of puffy stickers either. But puffy stickers are good also if you need some little small kind of decoration or embellishments, because they tend to be a lot smaller than stickers even, and chipboard and ephemera. So puffy stickers are definitely much smaller. Washi tape. These are $2 each or 10 for $15. Again, not something I use or buy. I used to when I was, big in the planner community, but I don't plan on paper anymore. I plan digitally. Hence, like why I have my other digital Etsy shop where I sell digital planners. And I use that planner and that recipe book for my recipes and things. So yeah, I don't really use washi tape, but the couple of ones that I do have are Christmas themed, and I just use them on like the outside of an envelope and just decorate it up a little bit before I send out my mail. 12 by 12 paper pads. They usually only have like 2, so we'll see. Oh, and they only have 2. Normally, I've never seen this one, Animal Safari, to be in the 12 by 12 paper pad, but the Magical Birthday Girl, like that, they have that one all the time, and I have like 3 of that paper pad already because I also have gotten it from warehouse sales. But the Animal Safari, I think I have that collection kit, but if you are, you know, wanting to make a bunch of projects with it, I'd highly recommend getting the 12 by 12 paper pad. I think they're just a great buy for $5. You get 24 sheets. Like, they are a great buy. I mean, it doesn't compare to what Michael's used to have with the 48 sheets for $5, but they don't do that anymore. Stateside kit and then enamel dots. So stateside kit is usually the maps and things, or I guess that's $20, and I guess you get maybe all the states. I want to say it contains 50 12 by 12 double-sided papers. So yes, if you are planning on traveling across all the states, like, this would be really cool. You could use the state on one side and like have pictures on the other side, like just your favorite pictures and memories, but yeah, not something I'm into. And then enamel dots, these are $3 each. I usually get Christmas and fall, and it doesn't matter what collections I get, and I cut them up and I separate everything by color anyway. They don't have a lot of choices. They have a couple of Christmas or a few Christmas and one fall, but if you needed to get some, there you go. So that is everything from their fall. They're calling it a clearance sale, which is interesting. It's normally called a warehouse sale, but from their fall clearance, warehouse sale, whatever you want to call it. Check it out if there's anything you guys liked. And that is all. So thank you guys so much for watching. Happy shopping, and I will see you guys in my next crafty video. Talk to you soon. Bye.